So you're interested in taking advantage of the free immigration legal consultations? If the answer is yes, it's pretty easy. Just follow the next couple of steps. Go to maricosta.edu/uprise. Once you're there, you'll only have to scroll down a couple of times and you'll find the link to schedule appointments with the Jewish Family Services of San Diego. Once it redirects you to the Higher Education Legal Services website, you'll get started by clicking on this big blue button that says Schedule an Appointment. Make sure to read through all of this important information. Now, you'll want to pick whether you like your consultation to be in person or online, what type of appointment you're seeking. Select Maricosta College as a school that you're part of. And lastly, what date and time works best for you. Enter all of your information and be thorough with your details so the legal provider can be prepared prior to your appointment. Once you submit your information, you'll receive an automated email on behalf of the Higher Education Legal Services team to confirm that they've received your submission. Next, one of the providers will be reaching out to you personally through your chosen preferred method of contact. Please email uprise@maricosta.edu if you have any questions or would like assistance with this process.